loves! Welcome to my channel. My name is Ronnie and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng unboxing and tutorial kung paano lutuin ang do-it-yourself or make your own Milktea. This is Wintermelon and from Moonleaf. Shout out sa boss ng ate ko, Boss Richard. Maraming salamat. Natupad ng pangarap namin magka-Milktea ngayong quarantine. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So without further ado, let's do it! This is the workout for the day. Okay? Baka matapos. Hi guys! So ito na yung nagawa namin ng ate ko ng finished product. Sayang lang wala akong mga clear glass para mas aesthetic siya. Pero okay lang. Milktea, lalagyan na lang namin ito sa ref, then ito sa freezer. So kapag inom ulit kami, buboil lang namin siya for 5 minutes. Okay, so pag-usapan na natin ang final verdict. It's a yes for me. I like the product. Siyempre because I like milk. Pero, super nire-recommend ko to sa mga families, especially ngayong quarantine. Napakaganda niya na maging activity niyo. Second good point for me ng product na to is pwede mo siyang ma-store. So, everyday, pwede kayong mag-Milktea galore. Third, sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. Ito yung instruction and very straightforward lang siya. So, ito lang din yung mga sinunod kong steps para gawin yung Milktea. And, nainom ko na siya. Anyway, we actually got this product for free. But we're not gonna pay it back. We're gonna pay it forward to you. So, if you want to receive this Make Your Own Milktea Wintermelon for free, i-giveaway namin to. And mechanics, 2 easy steps lang. First one, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yep! Click that red subscribe button down below. And second, i-comment mo lang who is your everyday hero and why. So, ganun lang kadali guys. Very easy na itong package na to, which you can share with your loved ones, your family, or your friends. Malalaman nyo kung sino ang mananalo sa next vlog ko. So, tune in guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Thank you very much. See you in my next vlog. Bye!